saying, Ann, are you ready for Iman, Marky T, Ma Jefferson Golding? As Yo. Well, you look like you're ready. You sound like you're ready. You feel like you're ready. And even though the mic not ready.
Yeah.
And even.
Yeah.
And even though the mic. Blood clot. Yo. Hey. One. And I'm very proud of our people who are on the tour because we've made numerous stops and spoke to the people. And I never heard one word of profanity. One dirty bad word was none of them was called from our platform because we are behaving in a decent manner and we want a decent campaign.